So I just got a sample from Pacific Paradise Prints. I'm excited because I got this sample in yellow, which is my favorite color. Alright, so, oh, that's so cute. That's so little. Oh, stop. Oh my god. It is cute. Okay, hold on. Hold. It's so much cuter in real life. Okay. Get it together. And it comes with a little strap, which I love because you know I can never get this on the strap otherwise. Look. Compared to my hand, compared to other size fit chicks. So good. Alright, you can get it from my TikTok shop. Go support the small business, yo.